Hello viewers, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this perfect fluffy pilau rice recipe. This recipe is really simple and I'm really confident because I believe this is going to be one of the best pilau rice recipe on YouTube channel. So if you want to know the ingredients and the methods, then keep on watching. So for my recipe I use this Kalijeera aromatic rice, which is a brand from Bangladesh. It's called Pran. I'm not sponsored for this, just to let you know guys. So in a bowl I'm going to be adding 3 cups of this Kalijeera rice, which is equivalent to 900 grams. Now it's not necessary guys to use this specific rice. You can also use basmati rice instead. The reason why I always prefer using this rice is because it has a very delicate texture and also adds delicious aroma to it. It's very small grain fragrance rice which is originated from Bangladesh. Anyways, now I need to soak the rice in the water for about 30 minutes. Using your fingers, give it a quick mix so the rices are not floating about. After 30 minutes, wash the rice for about 3 to 4 times just to get rid of all the dirt and some of the starch as well. Now I'm going to use a strainer to drain the water. The reason for soaking the rice in the water and also straining it is because then the rice will become individually fluffy and also be separated from each other. Use the same glass and add 5 glasses of water in the kettle and bring it to boil and keep it aside. Let's start the cooking process. Now I'm going to be using ghee, about 2 tablespoons, which is basically pure butter. Now you can also use olive oil to make a healthier version of this, but you're not going to get that authentic flavor of that pilau rice. Once the butter is melted and the pan is smoking slightly, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, about 10 whole black peppers, and last thing to add in here is 2 cloves, and then stir it and roast all the spices really well. Then you will need to add 2 small chopped onions and 3 chopped green chilies, and then keep on cooking until it turns golden brown. Now this is exactly the color that you want, because if it becomes a bit more darker, that means your pilau rice is going to be more brown. Now it's time to add the rice that I prepared earlier. 2 teaspoons of salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger paste. Now you need to constantly keep on stirring so it doesn't get burnt, and wait till the water is dried. Now the rice and the spices are perfectly roasted. What I'll do, I'll bring it closer so you can see it properly. The reason why it has to be this way is because this is the only way you will get that perfect fluffy individual rice. Now I'm going to add the water in here, which was boiled earlier. Now I know I have already mentioned the measurement for the rice and the water as well, but just to make it easier for you to remember and know the trick is, so in my case I have added 3 cups of rice. Then you basically double the measurement for the water, so that's 6 cups. But then you don't add 6 cups. You need to remember, always add 1 cup less. So that's why I've added 5 cups of water. I hope I explained that well. The next step is I'm going to put the lid on and slow cook this for about 10 minutes. Now this step is totally optional. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of egg yellow food coloring into water. This is really just to get that beautiful presentation, just like in a restaurant. I'm just going to mix it well and keep it aside. I will need that in a minute. Anyways, it's been 10 minutes, so let's open the lid. Ooh, just look at that. The rice is perfectly cooked up to 80% and is super fluffy. I really hope that you can tell on the screen every rice is individually cooked and they are not sticking to each other at all. So I've mixed it really well and you guys saw that there was no burning at all. So now I'm going to add the food coloring in here. Then sprinkle a handful of crispy fried onions all over it, and then put the lid back on for another 10 minutes. After slow cooking for another 10 minutes, the perfect pilau rice is done. This smells so amazing. It's all the whole spices that I've added. It was roasted and then it was combined with the rice and also the ghee as well. Oh, it is so perfect. Usually I love to have this with butter chicken, lamb curry, beef curry, literally any curries. Today I'm going to enjoy my pilau rice with butter chicken on the side. If you guys want to check out my butter chicken recipe, that will be available next week. I'm just in process of editing right now, so I will leave the link at the top so you can click on it and watch it. If you have enjoyed watching this pilau rice recipe, I would really appreciate if you could please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know your feedback. In the description box below, I have listed all the ingredients and also all the products that I've used to make this video. Thank you for watching my video and staying here till the end. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions, then please let me know in the comment box below and I will try my best to bring that on for you. I have so many recipes in my mind, but sadly I don't really get a lot of time to do it all. But I do try my best to upload one recipe a week. Anyways, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you did like it, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well and press the bell icon to be notified so you don't miss out my recipes. We can be friends on social media as well, and don't forget to check out my other recipes. Thank you.